first outfit I'll be wearing on you know what, Pride. And yeah, I'm wearing nice blackmilk top, and I guess it has been cleaned by the Pride event. So technically, this is new, and technically I'm wearing my Gothicana shoes, which I've got completed. So that's kind of fair do, I would say. I've got 2 more outfits to sort out. So yeah. So yeah. Because basically, right, I'm wearing this outfit because someone wore it before. I'm trying to bring it out again for that day. So, I mean, I don't want to be rushing on Saturday, so that's why I want to go to all these outfits today and finalise on Friday. So that's what I'm going to do. And then we'll 8 o'clock. So, this is my blackmilk outfit, and you can see my couple. So, yeah. So, I got this dress because when my first did actually have it. Yeah, so the reason why I'm bringing it back, because basically I think the outfit will go well. So, I'm going to be wearing it for the workshop. But after that, I'll have to keep wearing it until we have a break, and then do it that way. That's what I might do. And yeah, so, and basically, if you want to know, I've got a belt on, which is good. So, the next outfit I'll be putting on next will be my my Yast 2 outfit. So, I'm going to get changed out of this. Put my tights on, put my glasses on, and put my neck. And my Yast outfit will be the same, but the boots I'll be putting on might take a while, so I might not record that today. So, because I might be like a street, so, yeah. And also, you want to know, I mean, this outfit works well with fishnets, as I can do that, and I can do that, and I'm going to do this. You take a girly girl. Please do. This is definitely my outfit. Basically this is my first outfit. The other one was the first gradually not. Yeah.